how you feel if you can get an account where you can write for them there and get paid for it. That is actually what I want to show you in this video today. There's a website called Compusely. It is compose here, compose.ly. That is the name of the website. And what the website is for is that it's a freelance platform mainly for writers. So it doesn't really necessary for you to have the knowledge of writing, because I'm going to show you the tools that are going to do the job for you before the end of this video. Okay, let me go back to the video. What was I saying? Okay, this website is a freelance platform mainly for writers, and the good thing about this website is that you don't need to look for buyer are already there. This is just like this. The jobs have been posted there. You just have to take the job, do the job, and I'm just going to pay for it just like that. Because it's different from other freelance platform where you need to be communicating with buyers and all sorts of things, hunting for buyers. This website is not like that. It's different from that kind of freelance platform, just like Fiverr, but this one is different. The job has been posted there already. You just go there, take the job, do it, and you get paid instantly. But there is a little thing that have to be done before you get accepted. Once you click on apply to be a writer, this is the process. But before I show you the process, to make it clear to you what the website does, after you sign up here, as I've said earlier, you create profile and select job, like I've said earlier. Because I have someone who is actually using this website, I got the information from the person, and I'm very glad I'm showing you guys on this platform, because my number one mission on this YouTube channel is that to make every freelancer being able to make money online. So this the third step is to submit the work and get paid for it, just like that. But I said there's one thing about it, right? Before you can create an account on this platform, you need to have a link to a portfolio. That means your previous writings. It's just easy for you to put your name, you put your email address, and link to your portfolio. As you can see here, it says link to your portfolio. So how are you going to get a portfolio? You are not a writer. You haven't been doing copywriting before. You've not done any kind of writing before. You don't have portfolio. So how are you going to get portfolio? Because without portfolio, they cannot accept your registration. So this is how to get a portfolio. That is there's a website you can use to get a portfolio, and that is Medium. If you go to medium.com, yes, on this platform, this platform is for people that are writing. It's for writers. So if you don't have a portfolio, between 1 to 5 days, assuming you create an account on this website now, medium.com, you create an account, just get some article, post it on your account. So once you've posted like 1 to 5 articles on your account, then you can go back to this website and put your account link you got from this website, you put it in this link to portfolio. So once they check the link, it's going to direct them to your Medium account, and they are going to see all your writings. And mind you, there are some of you that doesn't know how to write, and I'm going to lifting the burden for you right now. I'm going to show you how you can get those writings. So to make it clear what I'm trying to tell you, there are a lot of people on this website that their main thing is just to post articles, because article is what this website is made for. For example, the person that posted this article is this right here, so you can click on it to check the person's profile, and these are the other writings the person have done. Assuming it was this person that is signed up for this website now, he's just going to take the link to his profile, and that is it here. He's going to copy it, and once he copy it, he's going to paste it here, boom, and he's going to put his name here and register for the website. But you that doesn't have a portfolio yet, you have to create an account on this website called medium.com, and once you sign up, just like this, click on get started. You can sign up with your Gmail address or whatever. You can sign up with your Facebook or email address. So once you sign up there, you can make use of ChatGPT if you don't know how to write. ChatGPT is an AI. that can literally do anything for you. It can write a song for you, it can write an article for you on any topic. So use ChatGPT to get your writings. So if you don't have any knowledge about writing before, use ChatGPT to get your writings. Then all the writings you've gotten there, get like 1 to 5 articles, then post it on your account on medium.com. And once your account is ready, you take the link, you come here, then you put it here and register for this website, and you'll be able to start getting paid for writings. So that is the update I have for you today, and I'm very sure this update, I'm very sure if this update is what you have been looking for, you are very happy right now. So click on the like button, because that really helps me a lot. And if you want to get more updates like this, I have a WhatsApp group, and I also have Facebook page, so you can join me there and you're going to get more other updates. So thank you guys, click the like button and subscribe button. Bye.